Welcome and croeso to the Computing Unlocked scheme of work. Today we're going to be looking at the programming element of the scheme and looking at the Year 3 module, the Can You Kodu project. On the PDF you can see the expected outcomes that the children will be able to achieve by the end of this project. And within this project we've got 6 steps. And by the end of the project, children will be able to create their own game using what they've learned throughout these steps. And first of all, we're going to start to just have a look at the basic functionality of Kodu. And we've got our main menu here, and if we take a look at the options for the game, we can just sort of see that we can start adjusting some of the volumes, the options as well for children to plug in their own Xbox controllers using the USB port to control Kodu, using that as well as the mouse and keyboard. We've also got a Welsh option here, which is fantastic for the Welsh schools to change the language so it becomes bilingual then. So there's a couple of options there. I'm going to click escape to come back out of that. And then we're going to go into creating a new world and have a look at the options for our new world. And when we select our new world, what comes up at first is a blank screen with a green square in the middle. And that is our land. Not a very large land at the moment, but we'll look at further tutorials to adjust the land and add objects and so on. But we're going to take a look at our changing the world settings on the furthest right option here. So if I use my left mouse button to select the options, the option screen comes up with lots of different options really for changing camera modes, strength, showing the compass and so on. You can see the different options. We can also change the sky and the daylight that we're going to start working within. Just to give you a couple of options to change the game settings from there. So that's just the basics options to change the world. Within the next tutorial we'll look at adding different terrain.